Welcome. In front of me I have Sharp Aquos Smart LED TV 40-inch, and I'm going to show you how you can customize channels on your home screen. So as you can see, currently you've got all available channels, so it's Prime Video, Play Movies and the TV, Netflix and the YouTube. And if you want to customize this section, you have to go for the settings in the right upper corner, click OK, then move for the device preferences, click OK second time, and right now we have to go at the bottom, so just scroll down and then go for the home screen, click OK, and then tap to customize channels. And I think that we are going to turn off Google Play Music, click OK, then do the same with the Netflix and the Prime Video, and also go for the Google Play Movies and TV, click OK, and turn off feature and top selling movies. Then just go back, and as you can see, we are going to stay only with YouTube. So right now just simply go back, and right now when you scroll down in the home screen, you can also you have also the YouTube channel. So that's how you can change it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.